I'm going to explain how to play Horseshoe math facts. The very first step in making this game possible is putting all of your desks into a horseshoe shape, which is like a half circle. As you can see in this picture, we only have 8 desks, so your classroom will probably have more desks than this, so the horseshoe shape will be a lot bigger. Once you have all of your desks in a horseshoe shape, each student will sit in a chair at a desk, and everyone will be facing the middle. When everyone is facing the middle, on their desks they should have a pencil and a worksheet that your teacher has given you with math facts on it. That worksheet should be turned over so nobody can see the problems. Now that all the preparation is done, I will explain how the game is actually going to be played. Your teacher will set a timer for 4 minutes or 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Your teacher will decide how long the timer will go for. It will probably depend on how many problems are on the worksheet that you're working on. And when your teacher says go, everyone will turn their paper over at the same time and they will work and try to solve as many problems as they can. You don't have to go in order. You can do all the easy ones first if you'd like. After 20 seconds, your teacher will say switch, and you will give your paper to the person sitting on your right, and the person sitting on your left will give their paper to you. And then you'll work for 20 more seconds. The purpose of this game is to see if you can finish all of the worksheets together as a class by the time the timer goes off. So you are not responsible for your own paper. You're going to get a different paper every 20 seconds. So you are just trying to fill out as many of the problems as you can on the paper. And then hopefully by the end, when the timer goes off, all of the papers in the class will be finished. If the worksheet that you have happens to be finished when you get it, go over the problems and make sure they're correct. You will just review them and make sure that nobody messed up before you. Now I will show you what that will look like with some students. Hey, go! After it's been 20 seconds, I will say switch, and the students will hand their papers to the student sitting on their right. We are all going to go counterclockwise. So you'll pass your paper to the person sitting to your right. As a teacher, sometimes I like to play, and I'll sit in the middle so I can help pass the paper from one side to the other side. And it gives me a chance to look at everybody's work. And that is how you play Horseshoe Math Facts. Have fun!